What's going on, guys? Super excited. Just got another Zippo in the mail. This is called Shakira. And this Zippo is so sexy. That's hot. I got this for a good price. Brand new in box. Retail price is $24.95. 2011 January. I paid $16 for this. Free shipping. Got it offline. So there are a lot of good deals for Zippos online. You just have to be patient and search for them. That's my new Zippo. Just wanted to show it to you guys. I will be doing a video on a Zippo collection update once the new year hits. I actually need to purchase another case. So many Zippos, not enough space. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Take care.